Let's talk about organization. Let's talk about organization. This year, we need to declutter, donate, get rid of things we don't use or need, and then pack up neatly and precisely things that we may use later. Instead of just throwing it in the basement, throwing it in a bag, throwing it in a box, pack light. Ain't that what Erica Badu say? Bag lady? Organization. I have a small amount, but it needs to get some organization done to it. I'll show you. Okay, we got here a blue container. I think everybody knows about these famous blue containers. This has some stuff in it that was never unpacked. Then we got holiday decorations, some other stuff, trays, all kind of stuff, things that need to be packed carefully because it's made out of glass. A whole bag of things, some that didn't even get used, as you see. This came from an after Christmas sale. Big lots of some other little knickknacks, more things. My wreath was too thick for my door, but I'm not getting rid of it because it was $10 at Home Goods. And there's some trees in there. Empty container. I may pull out more, so we'll just see how this goes. And like I always say, hello, how are you? This is Kay. You're watching It's Just K1. That's the name of my channel. How you doing? I'm doing some organization right now. I'm doing a little combo of organization of holiday crap, container crap. I think everybody has those containers that everybody sees all the time, the blue containers or the black containers or the clear containers. So I'm doing a little organization, taking stuff that's just been sitting around and organizing because, like Erica Badu says, pack light, bag lady. So we'll see. So I'm taking some stuff out. I'm going to donate some stuff. I have a bag that I'm going to donate, give it to someone who may need it because I don't need it. It's just sitting, and it will be sitting for more years, and I'm just over it. Let's go on to a new 2022. So let's declutter, de-escalate, and get rid of and donate it to somebody that may need it. You're watching It's Just K1. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Subscribe so you can get all the newest and the latest about me. So anyway, let's get to it. I'm going to take some things out of this container because I'm going to put more stuff in. And look what I found. The first thing I found, this was made through Etsy when I turned 50. Yes, I'm over 50. No, I don't look like it. And it was beautiful. I saw it on the page of Etsy, on the Etsy site, and I had one made for me. And when I look back, I'll tell you what ain't true no more. Okay, this was nice. All this was true at the time of that age. See it? It's beautiful, and I love the frame. So right now, what's going on right now, 2022? Let me update you. I'm older than this, and I'm older than this. I don't have a damn Renaissance man. Scratch. I still got my two amazing children. I got many great friends. And my family equals love. That's my house family. That's my biological family. That's my work family. And my internet family. And I have a blessed life. I still do. And it says Kay Coleman. It has my birthday, August 5th. You can see the year. Oop. But anyway. So it should say, instead of one Renaissance man, I should say single and fabulous. But I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I love the frame, and this does represent when I turned this age, and this was for a big party I had. And I'm going to give shout outs to Rainice and Taurine for hosting that and Hula. But I wouldn't hang this up anymore, so I may get rid of the picture, the picture that I ordered, and keep the frame. The frame is beautiful. I can keep this for my big 60 party, and I'm already in party planning stages for that. No, I'm not 60 and I'm not 59, but I already got that on lock. I already got my party planners picked out too. They gonna hook me up. But yeah, this was in the container, so I may get rid of the picture, but I'm keeping the frame. So that was in here. So what I need to do to get organized is I have stuff to put in here. There's more things I bought. that I haven't hung yet. So, I made this, oh my God, I made this because I love art and I love romance and I love love. And I made this before 2001. I think I made this, my son was born in 2001. I made this before that. And it's just a collage of all types of things. It's a collage of romance and love. And I've carried it with me every place I move. I don't have a place for it yet. It needs a new frame. As you see, it's broke off right here. But I'll keep it in the container until I find it. I made this. I went through the magazines and I got all these together. And I think it's beautiful. That's going to stay in here. So, I have more stuff to put in. So that's what I'm going to do now is put stuff in. It needs to go in. You know, it's crap in here too. I need this. So I'm going to pack some of this. And then we're going to find other places for this stuff to go. Like I said, had a lot of mismatched stuff. But things that I'm not using, it's going to get donated. It's just going to get donated. And that'll be that. So stay tuned.